Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a topic about Vapnik-Chervonenkis dimension or VC dimension and PAC lining. Probably approximately correct lining. Vapnik-Chervonenkis dimension also called as VC dimension and probably approximately correct lining also called as PAC lining. These concepts help us understand how machine learning models learn from data and how well they generalize to unseen examples. The second part is why learning theories matters. Learning theory focuses on understanding the performance of machine learning models. A good machine learning model should not only perform well on training data also on new unseen data. That is the matters. VC dimension and pack learning are part of the statistical learning theory. Which explain the relationship between the model complexity, training data, and prediction accuracy. What is VC dimension? VC dimension measured the capacity or complexity of a machine learning model. It tells us how flexible a model is in learning different patterns. A model with a low VC dimension can only represent simple patterns, while a model with a high VC dimension can represent more complex patterns. However, very high complexity may lead to overfitting. Overfitting means we already seen in the previous video. So that is also part of the that is also came in VC dimension also. You already saw. What is VC dimension? Low VC dimension and high VC dimension also there. Next, moving to the another part. Understanding the shattering. The concepts of shattering is used to define VC dimension. A model is said to shatter a set of points if it can correctly classify every possible arrangement of labels for those points. If a model can shatter more points, it means the model is more powerful and has a higher VC dimension. The next is VC dimension formal definition. In this slide, the basic representation of VC dimension. Here H represents the hypothesis class and D is represent the maximum number of points that can be shattered. VC dimension is important because it helps estimate model complexity generalized to unseen data. The next is we are going to see what is PAC learning. PAC learning I already mentioned, probably approximately correct learning. That is the definition of that. PAC learning, it is a framework used to analyze whether a machine learning model can learn efficiently from data. The efficient, that is the main point. The main idea is that a model should produce predictions that are approximately correct with a high probability. The next is PAC learning framework. This is the PAC learning framework. The training data, the learning algorithm, the PAC guarantee. This is the core inequality. P of error less than or equal epsilon greater than or equal 1 minus epsilon. Two terms are very important. The first is probably, which refer to the confidence level of the model. The second is approximately correct, which refer to keeping prediction error within an acceptable limit. These formula shown her explanation that the probability of error remaining below a threshold should be very high. Next, the VC dimension and PAC learnability. These two concepts deeply connected. Finite VC dimension is both necessary and sufficient for PAC learnability. In this, VC dimension helps determine the amount of training data needed for learning, while PAC learning explains the probability of achieving accurate prediction. If the VC dimension is too high, the model may memorize training data and fail to generalize properly. Therefore, balancing model complexity is very important. Next one is application. When we use this PAC and VC dimension. These concepts are widely used in machine learning research and applications. They help in selecting appropriate models, estimating generalization error, and understanding neural networks. VC and PAC theories provide mathematical foundations for designing reliable and efficient learning system. So first one is neural network analysis, second model selection, generalization bounds, statistical theory. So these we use these applications. The the final conclusion. To conclude, VC dimension measured the complexity of machine learning models, while PAC learning explain how model can learn accurately with high confidence. Together, these concepts form an important theoretical foundation for machine learning and help improve model generalization and reliability. So that's it. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you.